Kalong kajing le ranya ke jela Meghalaya bakan pau hakilat pathai khubor halor kajing jabo ki Khynnah bat ki jakasa jongki nowan yashim bintah ka Meghalaya Games 2022. Hakabai de bakani Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad ke sangma ulale jingo hi dalade ya kajing pinbiang ya ka Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex.
Since second Meghalaya game, I represent Meghalaya. Okay, I represent Meghalaya in different disciplines, as well as I represent Meghalaya in different disciplines. And from that year, only from second Meghalaya games, third Meghalaya games, it will be quite okay. But this Meghalaya game, fourth Meghalaya game, it's totally worse and unhygienic. But I just want to say the government kindly give us the proper accommodation and proper facilities
for the athletes,
so
that they can be
in the upcoming generations. They have to give us a proper, all the facilities, as well as give us proper, from starting journey from own, district, as well as till headquarters.
Uba finally pariat pad ubadiu General Secretary ke MOSA ulapan syai ba ki dur bela sapriang ha social media ki dei jong ki Khynnah ki ba klam pendon kam.
And they knew that the rainy season probably there. So we already agreed with station that tell your athlete that this time the competition will be very tight. And it's very tight. The women's that you say the light there, that's very good. We have the indoor stadium, we never stayed. We didn't get this at first. But now they're opening up, so it's okay. So we tell the truth that everything is fine except that photo we saw from the toilet, that was the toilet we said don't use. Because this stadium was for the last 8 years was not functioning. If we ask them to use toilet and then it blocks and smell, then how do you stay? So we have put some bio toilet, about 6 bio toilet here in the outside. Because you have no bio toilet, but athlete has gone well. And the same with that training hall. That is an old training hall. Sometimes with rain, even your house, and with this today heavy rain, slightly leakage from the side, that we cannot lie. So, and also we have put the toilet behind the dala. And the toilet which was next to that was closed. They broke that deal and they took the photo there. So we have sent the photo to the media. I think we have got the photo. We have the proof. You can go now, take the photo. Also, we're willing to go. So these are things, small things. Okay, waking up, we have some drawbacks. You go to the food, is the best. Accommodation you ask is okay. If you go, I'll tell the truth, I'm a secretary, I've traveled with the team for 25 years. I told them you won't get in national or so in stadium better than this. We go there in Stadium Jharkhand, you have to clean the floor, the cobweb, then this, that. So I told my athlete, so when you go, you have to train an athlete that from here, so the problem starts. If you give them in the high standard, when you go outside, they'll expect very high standard that they won't get. I'll tell the truth. You can go to any, like athletics, you can go 1,000 athletic participate. They can't give it. They give us mattress. You see the mattress. Very dirty. Toilets are worse. Big stadium, not there like in Jharkhand, you go to Orissa. They can't clean properly because it's under government.